Hi everyone and welcome back to lesson 2. Thank you all the viewers for subscribing and for watching my videos. Please comment if you have any questions. Okay, so in today's video we're going to learn about the desktop, the start menu, how to open and how to close programs, and how to use settings. Don't worry, I'll go slowly, step by step. So let's begin with the desktop. When you turn on your computer and you log in, this main screen you see is called the desktop. So this main one. Think of it like the top of a real desk. You can put things on it and open things from it. So for example, we can open these bits here. Okay, so on the desktop, you'll see small pictures called icons. So if you can see my cursor, these are the icons. You can save things on there. I haven't got anything on it at the moment. I've only got the internet and my studio. But once we start learning more and more, I'll show you how to do that. Then we've got the taskbar at the bottom. So if you see my mouse scroller, this is the taskbar. Okay? And then we've got the start button, which is here. It looks like the Windows button. And if you can see it at the bottom, it says start. Okay. So let's go through each of them one at a time. Now let's click on the start button at the bottom here. Click once with your left mouse. So as I've explained in my first video, the right and the left and the scroller. So you just click with your left mouse button and it will open up. If you click it again, it will close it. You click it again, it will open up. So you can open all these programs that I have here, and then you can search for an app at the top here, or you can turn off your computer. Let's just try to search an app. Let's search for a calculator. So you left click onto here, make sure it's got that I bit like I showed you before, and you can see this is moving. It means it's ready to type. Search for calculator. Click calculator. You can see that it pops up already, but if you feel a bit like you're not confident enough yet, you can type in the whole thing, and then you use your mouse to go here, and you can see that arrow. You could just click on it, the calculator with the left click. Okay, so now we can see the calculator appear here. Now we're just going to quickly understand the plus, the square, the minus or an underline, and the cross sign. So now we've got our calculator up and it looks a bit small, but you want to make it a bit bigger. So what you can do is you can maximize it by clicking here. This opens the window. So you left click it, you click on it, and it opens it up. This is the same for every app. We'll practice on another app in a minute. So we maximized it and now we can use the calculator. Calculator is quite simple. 8, 5 plus 8, 5 and then equal. Again, you use your left one. Like I said, you always use your left click on the mouse. And then if you want to get rid of it, you press this button, this button, this button. You can use all your functions. Maybe just practice it at home. And then you can minimize it. So just check my cursor and go down to this minus button. It's minimize. It will tell you as well, minimize. If you minimize it, click on it, left click to minimize it. You go back to this desktop. Now go back to the part at the bottom here. If you click it, left click, it will open up again. Simple as that. Now if you want to minimize using the minus button, that's brilliant. Minimize it that way. However, if you go down to here and you click on the calculator with your left click, it will minimize it. So I've just shown you 2 ways of minimizing it. Okay, let's click on it again and open it again. And now we're going to basically close it. Now, if you've got a document, like a Word document, and you're working on it, always remember to save before you close, but we'll get to it at a later time. Now I'm going to press the X button and it will close it. So if you can see here, it says close on the top right. It means it closes it. As simple as that. Now let's open settings. So we'll use the mouse to basically do the same thing. I will come down to the start menu here. So left click. We'll go back up over here. Now you can see settings already, but we're going to search settings so we can practice. Settings. Okay. Now it's popped up over here, so we'll just click here. Again, left click. Settings is where you control your computer. Here you can change your background, connect to Wi-Fi, adjust your sound, update your computer. You have all the apps, accessibility, the system, Bluetooth. So in simple terms, what we can do is just look at Wi-Fi for now. So for you to be able to access internet, you'll need Wi-Fi on your computer. And if you bought a new laptop or computer, you need to securely connect to it. So all you need to do is click onto Wi-Fi here, and then it will give you lots of different options. Make sure it's on, and then you just connect to it. But we're going to get to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth a little bit later. I just wanted to show you how to open settings and what you can see. Even things like time and language, it can all be set up here. Now we're going to learn how to sort of maximize it. So we just click on this button here and it maximizes. Click on this minus one, it minimizes. And we go back to the taskbar at the bottom. You can see where the settings are. So when you hover it, don't click on it, you'll be able to see the actual window without clicking on it. So each window you're going to. If you click on it, it will open up. And if you click the X, it will close it. Simple as that. Now you know what a desktop is, what the taskbar does, how to use a start menu, how to open and close programs, and how to use settings. Take your time, practice slowly, click around and explore. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.